is its own animal. Wow.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Me too.
We are not staying here near long enough.
No way.
This is our second day, and we've already kind of decided, yeah, we could have stayed here for a month. You got to take into consideration the altitude and the cooler temperature and that kind of thing.
Yeah.
But if you're okay with that, I don't think even a month is enough to explore this place.
No,
oh my
it
God.
is so big. Like, we did the cable cars yesterday, and if you haven't seen that, you'll have to go back and watch that. But it is amazing. 30 kilometers of
Gondolas.
gondolas in the air, bird's eye view from the city. Oh my gosh, it's just gorgeous.
That's basically, if you've never done anything like that, that's almost indescribable as far as being able to just kind of float over the city.
It's peaceful.
You know, all the traffic and everything below you, and
Yeah.
it's nice and quiet, and it's just amazing views.
Yeah.
Definitely worthwhile just to come and do that.
But today we're going to explore the Witches Market, something we've never ever experienced before. We're going to explore this area, a couple streets, monuments, that kind of thing. And yeah, just check it out.
Yeah, just on our way to the Witches Market now, and we came across this area, which is obviously a known area, Plaza Gaston Velasco, and it is a food street. And this is the walking street down here that goes down between roads.
There's art and restaurants.
It's all restaurants.
Oh
right
my
here.
gosh, yeah.
And good restaurants. I mean, like you can get Mexican, you can get steakhouse, you can get English pub, Indian food, which looked amazing. Coffee shops, like everything is all in this little area. So we're definitely going to come back here later on when it gets dark, because I think this place is going to be happening.
We have to pick one of these. I don't know how we're going to pick.
We're not here enough days.
I know. We have to pick one of them to eat at. But yeah. All right, so let's go explore.
Well, it's not really hard to tell we were enjoying our time in La Paz. And as we said, we're not spending near enough time here, but we do have the day to explore to try and just take it all in.
Street art here is beautiful.
Some of it is, we could spend the month just exploring all the street art. It's everywhere, and some of it is
it's really, it's really well done.
Oh, wow.
Even when we were on the cable cars, you could see there's like a whole little neighborhood that is painted from top to bottom.
Oh,
it was beautiful.
The neighborhood painted by artists.
Yeah, very cool.
There's another walking street and another one. Wow. There's not going to be enough hours in today.
This street is so colorful, and with all the umbrellas and all the vendors.
I can't wait to see it tonight.
I know.
Like,
it's gonna be all lit up.
We have a lot of exploring to do today, but we're definitely coming back through here tonight.
Yes, we are. I love all the ponchos and the knitted hats and gloves, and I love it all. I like all of the colors, and
that's because she's always cold.
No, it's just so pretty.
It is. It's just we just don't have any room to take any of it home.
I know.
And we definitely don't need it in our next location.
No. A candy shop.
This is just a visual feast. Strolling through here, it's very.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it, actually. Look how the street goes up.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that artwork in the corner.
Look at that artwork on that corner.
It's so cute.
You definitely realize that you're walking through a mountain city. It seems like every direction is up or down.
So I've come to the guitar straps, and I could not pass up getting a guitar strap, a new one.
There's a lot of musical instruments in this little
Look
space.
at this. Oh, cool. So I'm getting a burgundy one. Oh, yeah.
Case too.
All right, little purchase. We're still continuing on our way.
Ciao, ciao.
There's just so much to look at, and every single booth here or little cubby has all kinds of stuff.
Wow, look at this Baraka building. All that, look at that artwork over here. It's all
Let's go.
molded on there.
Yeah, you'll see a lot of the big, tall art pieces here. Wow. Look at on the string of lights. It's like all guitars and.
Yeah.
It's so cute. This is a cool place.
It is.
Wow, check that out. Wowzers. How beautiful.
This is pretty cool. The carrot tree. That's a cool looking.
This little
assume that's a little
building,
restaurant
yeah.
up there. That looks really neat, eh?
Oh my gosh.
Look at these costumes.
Yes, the costumes are unbelievable. I like the little bolo hats too.
These ones too. Like,
Yeah.
the
All of 'em.
fancy one over there.
Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
There's a place called the Lucky Llama. I don't know.
I'll get some.
Is there anywhere in the world where there isn't an Irish tavern?
It felt like no matter what corner we turned, we were seeing things that made us say, wow. And this was such a great vibe. We could spend hours and hours just walking up and down these few streets.
All right, so we kind of sort of found the witches market. This little area here. They have llama, fetuses, and what are these? Pigs? Yeah, they look like little pigs. Fetuses. They're supposed to bring like good luck, apparently. But they are real.
I don't know
They're
how.
not fake. It's just the witches' thing.
Their belief.
It's their belief, yeah. And there's all kinds of these like really cool remedy potions that you can get for gut health and just different things. And all these potions over here. Pretty interesting. And there's some more over here.
Think they could bring
There's
a llama on an airplane?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I don't know, these little pigs are creepy.
Yeah, the little pig carcasses are kind of creepy. Look at all these bottles. It's very fragrant in here.
Yeah.
All kinds of pills and potions and lotions. Kinds of stuff here, eh? From batteries to manicure sets to flashlights, staplers. Oh my. Oh, look at these.
Cases
Little
for
leather,
phones.
yeah, leather pouches and
Yes.
purses.
Wallets. Oh, gotta have phone accessories.
Yes, of course. There's definitely sections. Like sporting goods sections and like utility kind of sections, jewelry. They're all in the same kind of area.
Yeah, that last street we walked down, every shop was selling trophies and like sport jerseys, like soccer
yeah.
jerseys and things.
Wow. So this is the building that we saw from the distance here. It's like right here.
Okay.
And I've been wandering around for a little while. Now we're hungry. So we're gonna go back to that really cool street at the very beginning of the video. And it's starting to rain. We're gonna get some,
It's a good time to go inside and get some nachos or something.
yeah. Just a little something, something. That was some delicious nachos.
That was
Not gonna lie.
surprisingly good. Yes. I was a little at first I was a little apprehensive. They brought up this little bowl and the chips were like the size of Fritos.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, this is gonna be difficult, but you end up eating with a fork.
Yeah.
But it was really tasty.
It was really good, yeah. It was about $22 Canadian. So we
Yeah.
got that dish to split, and then we each got a a drink, so a water and a Pepsi. So it was $22.
Yeah.
Not a bad snack. Not a bad snack.
Bad smack. A little spendy. They tack a 10% service charge on at that place. That's the only first time we've seen that.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
So it stopped raining, guys.
Yeah, good timing. Go in, have a quick bite. Sun's kind of coming out again.
We're back on the move. But I am so glad we chose to leave Santa Cruz. And we have just been enjoying our little fast travel through Bolivia.
It's been a good little road trip.
Yeah, I really like it.
Can't say I'm
Disappointed.
can't say I'm disappointed in this.
No, we are really enjoying La Paz for sure. It's nothing we've ever seen before. With all the buildings and houses on the hill, and I don't know, it's just something out of this world.
We saw stuff like that in Cusco,
not near this big though.
but not near this scale. Yeah, like
it's just unreal.
Unbelievable how many houses are scattered up the mountain here.
Yeah. So
And this city is much more dynamic as far as up and down mountain. Like every direction you turn, you're either going up or down a hill. It's
Yes.
really all over the place.
Yep. And you feel the altitude a little bit. It's you know, because of all the hills and stuff. But
That bus.
I know.
That whole Dodge.
That bus is so cool.
Looked like a Dodge bus from the 50s.
Yeah. All right, off to explore some more.
Yes. You know when you wander into the next section of the city.
Yeah, this is like the first 5 places we saw are all optical places. So this is the eyeglass street.
You get to the corner and every sign on every building says Optica,
Yeah.
Optica.
Yeah.
I always wonder how anybody makes any money when every
Yeah.
single store is selling the same stuff.
I don't understand.
I don't know. It's easy if you're looking for something, you just
Yeah.
gotta know which street to go to and you'll find it, but
And then-
it just always amazes us that the entire neighborhood is selling the same stuff.
Yeah, and you can go from store to store inquiring and find the best deal, I guess. I don't know.
Let's
But-
go look at that.
But here, this is why we came, to go and check that out right there. So it is beautiful. From the distance, we could just see the peaks and we're like, ooh, what is that? So here
Some
we
nice
are.
fruit selling there at the corner.
Yeah,
Cups of melon and watermelon. And
we've definitely found the markets because they're everywhere.
Yeah, every street we've been down around here, all kinds of street markets set up. Obviously, we're in the eyeglass section now. All the little vendors out here have eyeglasses and sunglasses, and
But it's so alive. Like, it's such a vibe when you come to areas like this.
yeah.
Doesn't it feel
This
like that?
is
Like
where
it's-
you feel the life in the city. There's
Yeah.
just people everywhere milling around. Lots
Hustle,
of little
bustle,
lots
yeah,
of little
like-
street food vendors and drinks and things. So just lots of activity.
Yeah, I like to see like the locals out, and I don't know, I just think it's interesting. And I would think these vendors set up shop every day, like they tear it down
Yeah,
and
I would think so. Although
know?
they may roll down their tarps on some of these, but yeah, it
Maybe.
looks like you just tear it all down each night, eh?
there's some, I don't understand how long it would take them to get all set up and then tear it all down. It just
no
seems like it would take them forever. Oh, there's the walkway coming up that we saw earlier.
Oh yeah. I think there's a handful of walkways here. Let's go check that out.
Okay.
Oh, if you're ever in South America, these are the chips you want to buy.
Papas.
Don't waste your money buying, all those fancy name brands. Those are the best chips, I think.
They are.
in
No,
South
they're really
America.
good. Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah. Look at the buildings. It's quite the design.
Yeah. Pink one. Look at that building up there, Red.
Yeah. It's one at the top of the stairs.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just in case you haven't had enough shopping in the street.
I know. It's never ending.
It's
Wow.
never ending. Yeah.
So we've come down one of the oldest colonial roads in La Paz, and it has pretty colorful houses and like it's cobblestone street. It's just like a walking traffic kind of little road. It feels like you've stepped back in time. It's kind of cool.
It's pretty narrow. It's pretty dated. You can see like the paint's all peeling off the buildings and stuff. It's not like a newly painted place. So it's been this way for a long time.
Mm-hmm. This church is super cool. Hey, it looks so old.
It does.
We're trying to find out, do some Google search to see how old it is. We went inside and kind of just peeked around.
Iglesia de Santo Domingo.
Just the outside of it is so intricate. It's really, really pretty.
One of the oldest churches in La Paz.
There we go. 430 years old.
It's old.
Wow. That's like how many more times older than Canada?
Canada's like
2.5 times?
50 something.
Yeah, holy. So the whole day we've been searching around looking for a backpack for Jay, because if you've been following along, Jay had his backpack stolen on our night bus when we left Sucre to go to Uyuni. And yeah, so if you haven't watched that video, you can go ahead and watch that one too. But yeah, I think we found one. We're just heading to the ladies' the backpack place.
Awesome.
Is that the one?
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
Remember we checked it out? That's the one that zips open and gets bigger and smaller.
All right, I think it's gonna do. Yeah?
Yeah, I've never heard of it. It's a no-name brand, but
It doesn't matter.
yeah, it'll do the trick. Seeing as I'm in need of a new backpack on this trip.
Yes, I know.
This one,
sad, but I think it'll be all right.
Yeah.
Well, La Paz, you did not disappoint. We were out what seemed like for hours and hours, and we never got bored. But as the day turned into night, it seemed like La Paz turned into a whole new city to explore. I'm so glad we came to La Paz. It put the pep back into our step and made us feel excited about traveling in Bolivia again. Sometimes you just have to take the leap, and we are so glad we did. We ended our very long day here at the English pub with a delicious steak and a well-deserved glass of wine. Cheers, La Paz. We will be back to explore much more of your city and your amazing street performers.